The great thing about our industry is the diversity. You've got so many different roles in this industry to help people live a dream or send them away on holidays. Like, what can be better than that? Yeah, you're helping that lifestyle become a reality. We have anything from admin, sales, through to the service team. The roles in that are as wide and diverse as you could imagine. For anyone that is young, enthusiastic and a go-getter, you can achieve great things. I left school, I did not know what I was going to do. I moved to the city, I got into building, I was a landscaper, I was a concreter, and then I thought, this is just not for me. I moved back home, first started off in the workshop, as just doing wheel bearings, fitting out vans, ripping up old carpet, putting in new carpet, all those sorts of jobs. Now here today, I've moved into the sales and marketing manager. The access to furthering your career through our industry is, again, varied, and if you apply yourself, yeah, who knows where you'll finish up.
Yeah, I love it. Love it here. Love Coffs. I used to live in Sydney. I did a diesel mechanic trade down there. I moved back when I had the opportunity to come here. It's a really good place to work for, Watson's Leisure Centre. It's really nice. It's a good opportunity as well. Every day is different. I check voltage systems, fridges. I go in and check whether the solar panels are actually working, putting charge into the batteries again, so you can be essentially off-grid and still be camping with power. Fixing the bodywork on the caravans, and yeah, some of them just genuinely want a new part or a shower put in.
Our spare parts interpreter needs to know his business. He needs to know what the consumer has, delve down into the products that they've purchased and what parts can best fit them.
I've been working for Watson's for going on 3 years now. I've found that it's quite a rewarding job, getting people on the road if they ever got a problem, and having things in the store that's going to make their journey a lot better.
You're always looking for, how do I help others? And it's the little things, because you're not selling the big ticket items. You're there, they've already got their product and they want just assistance in what's going to make it better. How do I change this from the way it is now, or how do I repair this little thing that's gone wrong?
We help them find the right product for them, so they can enjoy their journey.
The skills required for any of our roles in our business, whether you be in spare parts or be in the service side, is 3 main things. One is a basic need of computer skills. The second one is people. You've just got to want to help people. If you do that, you're going to smash it. And the third one is your enthusiasm. When you wake up in the morning, turn up to work and enjoy what you're doing and enjoy helping others, and this industry is for you.
You don't have to go to uni. I'm 21 now, I'm a heavy diesel mechanic. I love where I work now. Take your own pathway and just go from there, really.